You guys remember this? When I built it, I will link the video above. So we are gonna paint this. Welcome to my new video. I have to take it all apart. I don't know if this was a good idea. But I mean, you know, if you don't have work, then just make work up. And I don't have my electrical screwdriver with me, so I'm actually doing this by hand. And I think this one is a bit too tiny. To be honest, right now I'm a bit overwhelmed. Because I don't really know. I got this from Emia, so it's like the electrical sander, I think it's called. For universal sanding, whatever. So it's now charging. Well, I think the way he explained it, and sorry Emil, because maybe you will watch this video, I think you did it very good, like very professional. I don't know if that would be my standard, but well. Okay, I'm now standing here in our bicycle shed. I have the dresser, I have the tool, then I have these I don't know how you call them in English. I also don't know how to call them in German, so that's great. I have these that you put under it. I have my GoPro set up. The paint. Okay, let's go, guys. Now the most important question, do I do the back? I mean, no one will see it, right? So now I sanded it down, I think that's all it's called, and I used like a wet wipe to wipe it off a little bit, and now I will paint. Wish me luck. Here goes nothing. So I'm gonna start with a primer. Progress is happening. So nice. Now we are on to the closing rack. It's now 2 days later, I guess. 3 days later? I don't know. Yesterday was my first work day and I'm back. It's now Saturday and I'm back painting my dresser, and I want to be done today so it can dry overnight and then I can use it tomorrow. But it looks already so good. Only like here I have like, it's a little bit messy, and then also like down here we have a drop. But otherwise, it's really good. I forgot to film, but I'm trying now to reassemble the rack, the closing rack. And it's a bit more difficult than I thought. I'm done. Oh, stunning. Look. Wow. So I hope you liked this video. I definitely enjoyed it. And now I have a green dress, so yes. Okay, I'm really happy. See you in my next video.